Hey, what's up? My name is Spencer, and I'm going to show you how to clear space on Windows 10. Start by going to your settings. Inside of your settings, search for storage. You'll see storage settings here. Once you're in here, you'll see this thing about storage sense can automatically free up space. Click that to on. And then you can click configure storage space or run it now. In the storage space screen, you'll see a bunch of options and you can leave these default and just click on clean now. Now you can see we cleaned up almost 500 megabytes of space. It's pretty good. This is the easiest way to clear space on your hard drive for Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.